Liver disease is usually caused by alcohol, fat buildup, or hepatitis, but a new study finds a common dry cleaning chemical may also play a role. Researchers say exposure to tetrachloroethylene, or PCE, can increase the risk for liver scarring or fibrosis, a condition that can lead to cancer, organ failure, or death. PCE is used in dry cleaning and found in some spot cleaners, stainless steel polish, and adhesives. People can be exposed through air or contaminated water. The study analyzed data from more than 1,600 U.S. adults and found that about 7% had detectable levels of PCE in their blood. And those who tested positive were 3 times more likely to have liver scarring, regardless of their drinking habits or weight. The lead author says this study underscores the underreported role environmental factors may play in liver health. The researchers say screening people with known exposure could help catch liver damage earlier and potentially save lives. PCE has been labeled a probable carcinogen, and the EPA is phasing it out of dry cleaning over the next decade.